nice and loud. Let's get these motion sensors out so we can do some hunting. Alright folks, this is what we got. This is my back porch here. It's missing a few items. Let's put that right there. Look at that. Nice rest right here. Yeah, there we go. Get some binoculars. Yep. Oh, we need a good chair. Nice, good folding chair right here. All right. All right, folks. What you can't see is my deer feeder. It's 137 yards out from this rest right here. I'll try to zoom in, but the camera phone here has limited capabilities, so let's see what we can do. Alright folks, here's my rest. And 137 yards out is the feeder. Alright, let's get started. First thing is first, grab one of your brother's beers. One of these COVID extras. Let's give it a little shot of. A little bit of lime juice. There we go. That's good. Alright, here is today's surprise. This is a wireless driveway alert doorbell kit. Got this off of Amazon, and it's $20. See what we got here. Got the little receiver, plugs in. I'm on the porch here. I can put this right there in the house. Gun rest, feeder. I mean, what more could you ask for? Last week we put the green lights up on the feeder. Now we're gonna put motion sensors up on the feeder. So let's get out there and get these things mounted. First, let's get some beer. All right, the receiver's plugged in. Here's the motion sensor. Oh yeah, nice and loud. Let's get these motion sensors out so we can do some hunting. Alright folks, here's one of the motion sensors right here. Gonna mount it onto the side of the feeder here. That way when those piggies come in at night, my doorbell goes off in the house. Green lights are on. And I'm in action. Alright folks, here's the second one here. I'll put it on this side of the feeder. This is my east side of the feeder. When I bought this kit, it showed 1,000-foot range. This feeder is 137 yards from my rest that is on the porch there. So we'll see if it reaches. Got a couple. go. Second one's there. Them hogs. This feeder is gonna be going off any minute now. He's gonna put more corn on the ground. They come to eat. They're gonna trigger those motion sensors. We're gonna be in business. Alright, some of y'all may have seen one of my previous videos on making some sour corn. I brought some sour corn out, so let's go ahead and get some of that out here. I'll put a link to the sour corn in the description. This stuff stinks. You're gonna bring in the hogs. Alright, my trail cam cameras over here is working. I'm gonna set it on the video function. That way we can get the action of my green lights right there on the feeder. And then maybe a little video in the house, and that doorbell goes off when it alerts me when them hogs come in. And all it is now is just a little bit of patience and darkness. Like I said, most of my hogs down here in South Texas, they're nocturnal, so you know, they'll come 11 at night, 3 in the morning, whenever. But I got a doorbell to kind of wake me up to sit out there on the porch, make my shot. All right, we got work to do. All right, folks, this is what we got here. This is that feeder. That's 130 something yards from the porch. Got them green DIY LED lights, the poor man's night vision. Got that wireless motion sensor. And at 3 a.m., doorbell went off. And the bam hammer went down on this guy. Beautiful day in South Texas.